Cepham Life Sciences is an ISO 9001-2015 compliant biotechnology company based in the state of Maryland, USA, involved in research, development, and manufacturing of a wide range of products in the areas of cell biology, molecular biology, proteomics, and other related areas of research. Our R&D, manufacturing, and quality control teams are comprised of PhD scientists from renowned universities with broad experience in the areas of biochemistry, biotechnology, and other areas of research in which our company specializes. Cepham Life Sciences products are manufactured in our highly equipped laboratory in Fulton, Maryland, and pass through rigorous quality control tests conducted by a team of highly trained scientists and technicians under a strict quality management system. Our products are useful in various scientific research applications, including genomics, proteomics, biotechnology, drug discovery research, and the diagnosis of various diseases. Some of the esteemed institutions that use Cepham Life Sciences products include Princeton University, Harvard University, MIT, Johns Hopkins University, the National Institute of Health, and many more. Cepham Life Sciences is committed to providing the highest quality, innovative research products with reduced costs for researchers around the globe. Cepham Life Sciences, supporting life science research worldwide.